Welcome! In this video, we're diving into the latest update on how to send your Instagram highlights using your PC. Whether you want to share a memorable moment or a favorite story, this step-by-step guide will help you do it effortlessly. First, open your browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile and highlights. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you want to share. Highlights are those little circles that showcase your best stories, and they are easily accessible right below your bio section. Now, select the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This link directs anyone who clicks on it straight to the highlight you've chosen. After highlighting the link, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Next, go to Messenger, which you can find in the left side menu of your browser. This is where you'll send the link to someone directly. Now, enter the chat of the person you want to share this highlight with. Once you're in the chat window, simply right-click again and select Paste to insert the link you copied earlier. Finally, hit Send. Your friend will now have access to view your Instagram highlight directly through the link you've shared. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Instagram highlight from your PC using these simple steps. Remember, sharing moments has never been easier with these new updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.